and the Delhi government's action that they have taken after AQI plummets. Delhi government says that they have now formed a panel on pollution. The pollution panel will have scientists and experts. The Delhi government has further issued a warning to the industries in New Delhi to rather have emissions in their factories with a deadline given December 31st. Well, the meeting was attended by Central Pollution Control Board, and they said that at least 2,000 highly polluting industries in Delhi, they don't have any kind of online continuous emission monitoring systems. Let's now take a listen to what Majinder Singh Sirsa has said on this.
दिल्ली के अंदर एक दिल्ली के वैज्ञानिकों से लेकर ऐसे साइंटिस्ट को लेकर उसमें एक कमेटी बनाई जा रही है जो आने वाले दिनों में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को इस सब के ऊपर जानकारी देंगे। उस कमेटी में वो खुद चेयर करेंगे हर मीटिंग को। वो कमेटी लगातार अपनी मीटिंग्स करेंगी। इस कमेटी का मकसद यही होगा कि हम अपने दिल्ली के और एनसीआर के लिए दिल्ली में जो हम कर सकते हैं मुख्यमंत्री जी के माध्यम से करेंगे, एनसीआर में जो कर सकते हैं वो माननीय हमारे केंद्रीय मंत्री जी के माध्यम से करेंगे। ये कमेटी अपनी रिकमेंडेशंस टाइम पे लगातार देगी। इसकी बैठकें माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी की अध्यक्षता में होंगी।
All right, and that's the news coming at this point of time, that the Delhi government has said that they are forming a committee of scientists in Delhi and experts in a bid to control the hazardous Delhi pollution level. For more on this, my colleague Ishika is now joining me live. Ishika, talk to us more about this committee which is now being formed in Delhi to monitor the pollution levels in India's national capital, and how perhaps effective will this be? Will we see any kind of concrete results?
Well, Raisha, as you rightly mentioned, this is in fact a very important decision, rather announcement that has now come in from the Delhi government side. A high-level committee is being formed by the Chief Minister herself to address this issue of pollution in the national capital. Now, experts and scientists are going to be a part of this committee, and the role of this committee will be to give recommendations to the government from time to time over the pollution here in the national capital, and it will be the Chief Minister herself who will be chairing each and every meeting of this committee. Now, not just that, let me tell you that today the meeting that was held by the Delhi government, especially the Chief Minister, there have been a series of strict directions that have been issued, and one of them is in fact that any agency, any government agency, be it DDA, DDMA, MCD, anyone, if they are not able to do proper implementation on the ground, then they will not be spared, is what the Delhi government has given clear directions on. They have said that penalties are going to be issued, action will be taken on officials if proper implementation is not done on the ground. And not just that, from now on there will be no road cutting which will be done without the prior approval from the government. Over to you.